Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and today I will show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power key, power off, and once it shuts off, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down. Both of the keys at the same time. And you should be from here in the boot mode. So using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it with power key. And the next thing we will see is the Android with no command. And to get past this, we will need to hold power key and press volume up once. So there we go. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. And in here again, you'll use volume keys to navigate. And from here you can reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot mode, apply updates, wipe data, mount system, view recovery logs, run some tests, and simply power off the device. And whatever you select, you will need to confirm it with power key. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select the first option and power key confirm it. And this will boot the device back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.